Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 4th December 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have now received divine insight from the Father. Only with this divine insight can you see souls and the Supreme Soul. Question. By understanding which secret of the drama will you never give a particular type of advice to anyone? Answer. When you understand that whatever happened in the past in this drama repeats accurately, you will never advise anyone to stop performing devotion. When this knowledge sits in their intellects very well, when they understand that they are souls, and that they have to claim their inheritance from the unlimited Father, and when they also recognize Him, all their limited things will automatically finish. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Make effort to make your eyes civil. Let your intellects remain constantly aware that you are brothers and sisters, children of Prajapita Brahma. Therefore, you must not have criminal vision. Number 2. While acting for the livelihood of your body, connect your intellects in yoga to the One Father. Renounce all limited things and remember the unlimited Father. Become an unlimited renunciate. Blessing for today. May you be constantly unshakable and immovable, and by having the awareness of the word Baba, transform the word reason into solution. Details are: as soon as you say Baba for a situation of fluctuation, you become unshakable. When you start thinking about the situation, you experience difficulty. If, instead of thinking about the reason, you start to think about the solution, the reason itself will then become the solution, because situations are not even like ants in front of Master Almighty Authority Brahmans. Instead of just thinking about what happened or why it happened, think that whatever happened was something in which there was benefit, in which service was merged. Then, although it may seem like an adverse circumstance, service is merged in it, and you will then remain constantly unshakable and immovable. Slogan is: those who stay under the influence of the One Father cannot be influenced by anyone else. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now have the deep concern to become complete and Karmatit. In order to attain the Karmatit stage, constantly perform actions as a detached observer. I am an Alokik soul who constantly stays in the stage of a detached observer, that is, in the stage of being constantly detached and loving while doing everything. I am a soul who has the Alokik experience, an Alokik life and an elevated life. Constantly have this intoxication. While performing actions, continue to increase this practice and you will attain the Karmatit stage.